Hi, I'm Leonie. Welcome to this beautifully restored character home on 6 Tiaki Way, close to the CBD of Cambridge and the schools. Prepare to be captivated as we take you on a journey through this meticulously restored character home. Step inside and immerse yourself in the warmth and character of this stunning home with high stud ceilings and native timber floors. Step outside to the backyard oasis where the entertaining area beckons for gatherings and celebrations. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home sits on a 1,125 square meter section. Thanks for watching my video. Hope to see you at one of my open homes or call me for a private viewing. See you soon!